Welcome. Today I was going to do a short video about some trekking poles that I recently got in the mail. I was looking on social media at different kind of cottage industry hiking companies and things, and I found the company called Trekology. Trekology makes these hiking poles. They're called Trek 1 hiking poles. Now they're kind of their cheaper version because they are the aluminum poles. They're not carbon fiber or anything extremely light, but I have found that these Trekology poles seem to be very durable. I haven't hiked with them yet, but they have the flip lock like most of the more expensive poles, and they're adjustable, very adjustable, and very well made, it seems, with the flip lock. The bottom part does not have the numbering system, the centimeters, like 110, 115, 120 like the top, but what I've decided to do is just keep it out pretty much at its length, and then just use this numbering system to keep my poles to the like I want it. But what I do like about them is they are pretty light. But here's the biggest deal. They were offering on Trekology for these poles for $11.99. And at $11.99, they sell them for $50, and they had a deal for a very short time for $11.99, so I bought them. They have a grip handle, a foam grip handle here, and then they obviously have the handles here to use, as well as this rubberized pole. So you don't get the cork or the foam handles, but you do get a rubberized handle with a nice little piece and indentions here. But I found these, that I think these are going to be very good poles to have at the price for $11.99 at the price. Now I think they're offering now for $24.95 for sale, but $11.99 is extremely good price. And with these flip lock systems, they come with the rubber poles for asphalt already on them. Of course, you can take these off, and then they just have the metal tips, and then they came with the snow baskets or mud baskets, I guess you can say, with them as well. But a really good value, I think, for people that are looking for a cheaper pole that is going to hold its weight and be durable for a long time. I have other poles that are more expensive, but they seem like they're well made, and hats off to Trekology for offering them at a good price, especially if you're getting into backpacking and you need something to hold your tarp up, use for hike trekking, or other uses you want for it. But a really good deal, and so I really like this company and what they offer here for $11.99. Great deal. Thank you.